What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you crypto exchange that does not require KYC. It offers leverage trade, spot exchange. You can earn here, you can do some promotions, copy trading, and much more. But before we're going to take a look at it, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So if you go to wex.com or weex.com, and right here we just have to sign up. You can type your phone or email address here and then press on sign up. Then you'll have to confirm. Once you do that, then just go to login, and once you log in, you'll have many different options. So first one, buy crypto. You can either quick buy. This is gonna let you to purchase either using your Apple Pay, Google Pay, Visa, or MasterCard. But for that purpose, I think since they are using third parties, most likely you'll have to do KYC just for that purpose. Then markets. So if we open up the markets, right here there is many different tabs or windows you're going to be able to see. Futures markets, gainers, and listings. So the best gainers for the day, new listings, and then in here if we scroll down, you can also see which you can actually buy futures, pretty much leverage trade, and then spot exchange, alerts, and listings. Also they offer stocks. So if you into stocks and you would like to leverage trade, you can do it right here as well. And then of course spot, and spot offers many different tokens, and right here they're broken down by categories. If I'm not mistaken, total they have over 1700 pairs, and they're constantly adding new tokens as well. And then futures. So if you go to futures tab, few different things. So right here, USDT and futures, if you open it up, this is where you're going to be able to leverage trade. So for example, let's open up not Tesla stock but like Bitcoin, and this is going to give you an option to do cross combine or isolated account. I usually leave it at isolate because I don't like to do the cross accounts. So one account contain certain position for leverage trade, and that's it. And then in here you can also set up a leverage trade. Be very careful. On some coins like on Bitcoin, it offers you to go 400x, but this is way overkill. Most people leverage trade by like 10x or 20x, not more than that, but it's up to you. Option is available up to 400x. And then in here of course you can do limit, market order, and then trigger, and then of course long position, open, or short. Also really cool thing, if you've never done this before and you're just learning, they have demo trading. So if you go to demo trading, this is basically gonna be like a paper trade, and I have $31,000. This is in there like a fake SUSDT, and right here you can actually play around. So in this case, like I stated earlier, isolated, combine, and then 20x. What I'm gonna set up, limit order, and then we're gonna open up long. If we're open up long, then we are hoping that Bitcoin is gonna be going up. And very important thing, to set up a stop loss. So in this case, what we're gonna do, we're gonna, let's say, enter amount. We're gonna do 25%, and then stop loss, we're gonna say 25% of my position. Since I am opening up position 25% of my 31,000, the exact amount is gonna be like 8 or 7,000. And if I'm gonna lose 25%, this is how much I'm gonna lose. Let's say if Bitcoin, instead of going up, it's gonna go down. It's gonna trigger sell if Bitcoin is gonna go lower than $86,724.90. Also, there is an option to take profit. I'm just gonna leave it blank for right now, and then open long. Then it's just gonna review, and if we don't set up stop loss, then my position will be liquidated at 83,000. But right now I just set a stop loss, so it's gonna be at 86,000, and then confirm. That's it. Order was placed, and this is my position, and currently unrealized -4. So it looks like it's slightly going down, so my position is going up, and it just went up just a bit. It's just gonna be going up and down, depends which way Bitcoin is gonna go, but I'm gonna leave it at here for right now. Then spot exchange, of course, when you go here, let's say you're not doing leverage trade, you just wanted to purchase some kind of tokens using USDC. Like I said earlier, they have close to 1700 pairs, so you're gonna be able to find anything here, or you can just search right here, like for example XRP or ADA or any other tokens that you're looking for. You can just buy it here, set up exactly how much are you going to buy. Like for example WXT right here, let's say 100 tokens, and you'll have to pay $2.67. I don't have any, so can't really show you how to do that, but you'll just press buy and then it's gonna trigger the order. If you do limit order and you can do just market order, then it's gonna buy off the market price. Then there's an option to copy trade. In leverage trading you can do that too. We're not gonna dive deep into it, but there's a way to do that as well. And then earn, in here there's two different options, either by staking or auto earn. Auto earn, if you hold USDT in your account, if you hold let's say $200, then you're gonna be able to earn based on this 13%. And then if you're gonna of course hold a lot more, then it's gonna give you a smaller return. It's just based on the amount that you hold. And then also staking, you can stake your tokens here as well: BTC, ETH, SOL, USDD, and BDX. And there's an option how to do that and how much you're going to be getting. And then the last thing I want to show you, if we hover over your profile in here, there is a deposit and withdraw. So let's look at the deposit. Once you click on deposit, this is going to appear on chain. And if you, for example, decide to deposit USDT or Bitcoin or anything, you just choose what you're trying to deposit, choose the network. They support many different networks. Let's say BSC, this is the Binance, and then get the deposit address. Once you do that, it's going to generate the address and you'll use that address to send USDT to get on this exchange. And then to withdraw, just press on the withdraw. Right here you choose spot account or funding account, and then which tokens, same thing, which chain, and it's gonna show you the fees. And then you'll put your MetaMask or any other addresses here and just go through the process, and that's how you're gonna be able to withdraw. And remember, I stated does not require KYC, so without KYC you're gonna be able to do $10,000 a day. But if you add a little bit more, like you verify your phone and a couple other things, then this number is going to increase if this is not enough for you. And this is pretty much it. They offer many other things in here, but we just went over how to buy, where to look, where to leverage trade, spot, to purchase different tokens, where to earn, and this is pretty much it. Link to this exchange I'm going to leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.